Project number 3.
Hello everyone. In this project, we like to write a PLC program to show the transition from a star to delta configuration in a three-phase motor based on the following conditions. Upon pressing a start push button, a star and main outputs activate simultaneously. After a 6-second delay, a star output deactivates and delta output engages. The motor runs in delta configuration thereafter. Pressing a stop push button shuts off all the outputs. If the stop push button is depressed during the 6-second period, all three outputs must be deactivated simultaneously. For safety's sake, both the star and delta outputs cannot be turned on at the same time.
Let's now review the pre-written control program in CODESYS using the virtual PLC and evaluate how it meets the project requirements. The project has been successfully tested using the CODESYS virtual PLC. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.